Fellow traders, welcome back. I hope you're having a good time so far. In this lecture, I'll show you some tips and tricks and some keyboard shortcuts to make your trading experience a lot easier. Alright, so if you just go over to financialmarkets.academy, this is our website here. And if you just underneath the resources, we have keyboard shortcuts. And these keyboard shortcuts, I highly recommend you master them. It will make trading just a lot easier every single day, coming in and making some trades. For example, F9 is to open up a new order, so I'll just show you that. So if I just press F9, new order. Simple as that. Let's see what else we have here. Control F, enable crosshairs. So I'll just press Control F, there we go. So nice and easily get access to the crosshairs, which is this tool here. So instead of having to go up to the toolbar and click on it, you can just press Control F, and there we go. Okay. What else do we have here? Show grid, show and hide the grid. So Control G. So that's great. So sometimes we would just like to view the charts without the grid, so it's just a lot cleaner that way. So I highly recommend you guys take your time to become very familiar with all of these keyboard shortcuts. It will make your trading experience just a lot easier. The next thing I want to show you is just how to simply zoom in and zoom out of these charts. You can just press the plus sign or the minus sign on your keyboard, and that will allow you to zoom in and zoom out very easily instead of having to go up to the top and press plus, minus. So hopefully that helps. And also sometimes if you're looking at this pair on a larger time frame, say for example we're looking at it on a 1 hour, and we wanted to know what exactly happened here with this gap. So it's hard to spot this, or if we're doing some back testing or some simulations, it's hard to know exactly what that looked like on a smaller time frame. So in order to get to that particular point, what you would do is just go to Insert, Objects, and we can just insert a shape here. So we just highlight this particular area like that. Then if we go down to our smaller time frames, and we can now go back in time, and we can spot exactly where that is. So there it is. So that's pretty good tool to have for back testing, or if we were to put in some sort of notes here as well. So just go ahead and type in a note. So if this gap lower was, let's just say it was a Sunday gap, just go ahead and copy and paste that in both of the name and the description. So we have this Sunday gap. There's our little note there which explains what exactly happened. Okay. And lastly, I just wanted to show you how to get access to your trade history. So if you just press Control T, that will open up your trading terminal, and you can just click on the history in the bottom, on the bottom tab, and this will show you your trades. Right now we don't see any trades available because I just opened up this demo. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and execute a few trades. So I'll just execute that, just go back over to the trade tab, and I'll just go ahead and close it. And the initial disclaimer will always appear, so you just want to go ahead and accept that. That's for if you're closing out the trade by clicking on this X. So now if we go down to the history, we see that we have some trades here, or just one trade. And if I just right click, and I can select view all history, and then afterwards I can just go to reports, and I can open up the report in HTML browser. So I'll just save this to my desktop, and so as it's saving, and it will ask me if I want to open it up in Microsoft Explorer, and there we go. And then now I'm able to see my trade history. It gives me my name, the broker, my orders. It will also show me lots of information down below, such as consecutive wins, consecutive losses. So this is a great feature to have for analyzing your own trades, seeing what you're doing wrong, what you're doing well, and so on. All right, so that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to execute trades, how to open trades and close trades.